Stop saying you know like this. You know what I mean? That sounds like a question. Americans say it completely differently. Listen, it was amazing, you know? Totally different feeling. If you're using you know wrong, people might think you're asking permission to speak. Let me show you the right way.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Speaklio English.
I'm here to help you speak real, natural English.
And I'm here to make sure you sound confident, not confused.
Today, we're focusing on two words that Americans use all the time.
You know.
You know.
You hear it everywhere, in movies, at coffee shops, at work, with friends.
But most learners use it wrong. They think it's always a question.
It's not. Sometimes it's a feeling, sometimes it's a pause, sometimes it's connection.
Today, you'll learn exactly when and how to use you know like a native speaker.
So if you want to sound natural and confident in English, subscribe to Speaklio English right now.
We teach real English for real life, not textbook stuff.
All right, let's start with the biggest mistake.
Okay, here's what I hear all the time from learners.
What do they say?
They say, you know what I mean, but they say it after every single sentence.
Oh no, that's too much.
Right? It sounds like they're not confident, like they need permission.
Can you give an example?
Sure, listen to this. I went to the store, you know what I mean. I bought some milk, you know what I mean. It was expensive, you know what I mean.
That sounds so awkward.
Exactly. In real American English, we almost never say the full phrase, you know what I mean.
So what do Americans actually say?
We say, you know, in a soft way, like this. I went to the store, you know, and the milk was so expensive.
Ah, much more natural.
See the difference?
Yes, it's shorter, it's lighter, it flows.
That's the key. You know is not a question most of the time.
It's like a little pause.
Exactly, a pause that connects you to the listener.
Okay, let's talk about why this matters.
When you say, you know what I mean, it sounds like you're asking for confirmation.
Like you're checking if the person understands.
Right, but if you do that too much, it sounds insecure.
Like you don't believe your own words.
Exactly. Americans use you know to create connection, not to ask questions.
Can you explain that more?
Sure, when I say, it was a long day, you know, I'm not asking you, I'm sharing a feeling.
You're inviting me into your experience.
Yes, that's perfect. You know means you understand this feeling, right?
It's like saying we're on the same page.
Exactly, it builds connection.
So it's about emotion, not questions.
Right, and it's super common in casual conversation.
I use it all the time and I don't even notice it.
That's how natural it is.
Okay, let's practice this right now.
Good idea. I'll say a sentence wrong, you fix it.
Got it.
I'm tired today, you know what I mean?
Nope, say I'm tired today, you know?
Perfect, much better. Now you try one.
Okay, the movie was boring, you know what I mean?
Fix it.
The movie was boring, you know?
Yes, great job. That felt so much smoother.
Right? It just flows better.
Now say it with us, everyone. Repeat. It was a long day, you know?
It was a long day, you know?
One more time. The food was amazing, you know?
The food was amazing, you know?
Beautiful. You're doing great.
Now let's see how Americans use you know in real-life situations.
I'll be person A, you be person B.
Perfect. Scene 1. Two friends talking about weekend plans.
Hey, what did you do this weekend?
Oh, I just stayed home, you know? Relaxed a little.
Nice. I was so busy, you know, running errands and stuff.
Yeah, weekends go by so fast, you know?
They really do.
See how natural that was?
We used you know 3 times and it wasn't awkward at all.
Because we used it to share feelings, not ask questions.
Exactly. Let's do another scenario.
Okay, scene 2. At work, talking about a project.
How's the project going?
It's okay, but, you know, there's a lot of pressure.
I get it. Deadlines are stressful, you know?
Yeah, and my boss keeps changing things.
Oh no, that's frustrating, you know, when they do that.
For sure. See, you know it makes the conversation feel friendly.
It's like saying, I trust you understand.
Exactly. One more scenario?
Yes, scene 3, talking to a neighbor.
Hey, how are you?
Good, thanks. Just tired, you know, from work.
Yeah, I know the feeling. It's been a busy week, you know?
Totally, but hey, at least it's Friday.
True. Any fun plans?
Not really, just gonna rest, you know, watch some TV.
Sounds perfect.
Great! Those are 3 real-life examples.
And you can use you know in all of them.
All right, let's break this down even more.
There are actually 3 main ways Americans use you know.
3 ways?
Yep, let me show you.
Okay, first way, to fill a pause.
What does that mean?
When you're thinking, you can say you know to fill the silence.
Like this. I wanted to, call you earlier, but I forgot.
Perfect. It's just a thinking pause.
Not a real question.
Exactly. Second way, to show agreement or shared understanding.
Like, it's hard to wake up early.
Yes, you're saying you understand this, right?
It's like a bonding moment.
Right. And third way, to soften a statement.
What do you mean?
Sometimes you know makes something sound less direct.
Can you give an example?
Sure, instead of saying, I don't like that, you say, I don't really like that.
Oh, it sounds gentler.
Exactly. It's less blunt.
So can make you sound polite.
Yes, it's a softener.
Wow, this phrase does so much.
That's why Americans use it all the time.
Okay, before we finish, let's talk about mistakes.
Good idea. What's the biggest mistake?
Using it too much.
Oh, yes. Don't say you know after every sentence.
Right, it should feel natural, not forced.
How often should learners use it?
Maybe once or twice in a short conversation.
That sounds right. What's another mistake?
Always making it sound like a question.
Right. You know should be soft, not sharp.
It's not it's
Exactly. The tone goes down, not up.
Let's practice the tone.
Okay, wrong way. You know it was great?
That sounds like you're demanding agreement.
Right. Correct way. It was great.
Much softer, much friendlier.
Everyone, try it. Say, it was fun.
It was fun.
Great job. Now one more mistake. Using it in formal situations.
Oh, that's important. Is casual.
Don't use it in a job interview or formal presentation.